Hey guys, it's Junior from AutoCraze. Finished off another fantastic looking FX4 here. We've done a 2-inch AutoCraze lift kit, Asanti AB811s wrapped in some Toyo Open Country AT2s. Customers opted for a Q9 dash cam, some smoke tail lights, and there'll be more mods later on down the track. For the moment, but I'll get my boy Cameron here on the camera and tell us how he feels.
Obviously, I'm quite pleased with it. It looks really good, first sight, and obviously I knew what I wanted and knew what to expect, but just seeing it in person just gives it a much more greater effect. So I'm very happy with the overall result, and I'm looking really forward to driving it around and showing it off a bit. Big thanks to AutoCraze and all the boys here for helping out and doing a good deal and getting this all together. Special thanks to Junior. So big thanks to these boys. So yeah, put it together and it looks real good. Good outcome.
Got a Ranger, Wildtrak, Navara, Hilux, anything. Bring it around, we'll deck it out. Till next time.